Oh my god, yes. You get the peppermint, the chocolate. It's hot, but not too hot that it'll burn your tongue. It's perfect. You guys gotta try this. Give this recipe a like. Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. It's the holiday season, and guess what, guys? We're gonna be making some peppermint cocoa now, or peppermint hot chocolate, however you want to say it. Let's just get this done. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to steep some milk. And what I mean by steep milk, I mean like get it to a simmer. We don't want to boil it. It's not called boiling hot chocolate. It's called hot chocolate. So we're going to use that. We're going to get it to simmer, and we're going to add our chocolate chips to it. And I have some milk. I have a half a cup of milk, chocolate chips, and we're going to pour that in there. And we're going to we're going to stir. We're going to stir it in, and then at the end, when all the chocolate is melted, we're going to add half a cup of heavy cream, and then we're going to do a splash of vanilla. Not much, just a splash of vanilla. And while our milk is steeping, we're going to add our peppermints that I crushed up. Now you're going to need 5 peppermints. 5 peppermints. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to turn our eye on the stove. We're going to turn it on a medium low. Alright. Then we're going to add that 1 cup of milk. Like so. Then I have 5 crushed peppermints. We're going to add now. The reason we're only adding 5 because the peppermint will overpower, and I learned that the peppermint will overpower the chocolate. So we just want to get that in there, and we want to get you a spatula and just get that mixed in. And see how it starts to turn pink from the peppermint, and it's already starting to dissolve. So we want to dissolve this peppermint with the milk and let that just cook. So constantly stir until your peppermints are completely dissolved. It won't take long. Alright? Alright guys, so now that your peppermint is all the way melted, it should look like this. It's slightly pink, but yet still white. Now we want to go in with that half a cup of chocolate. And these are milk chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet if you like. And see how easily it's already starting to melt and look like hot chocolate. It depends on how rich you like it. You can use a whole cup instead of a half a cup like I use. And gently stir. Because if you cook chocolate too fast, it will seize up on you. And just gently stir the chocolate in until it completely melts, and it's almost there. It doesn't take long to make this cocoa, and you don't even have to buy the box stuff. Look how easy this is. Amazing. Stirring this in, and you want to keep stirring. That's all you want to do, is just keep stirring this chocolate in until it completely melts into nothing, all the way into the milk. See, almost done. Now that it's all the way stirred in, so almost, I still see some. Oh, it's starting to boil. We're going to turn it off. We're going to turn that off. Because remember, we don't want to boil the hot chocolate. We just want it to be hot. And so at this stage, that's where I come in with my vanilla. Just a splash. Not too much. Of the vanilla. Now, here we come with that half a cup of heavy cream. Half a cup of heavy cream. Just pour it right in there. Right in there. And also it helps to cool it down, and it adds a richness to the chocolate. Now you can add marshmallows at this stage, but why add so much more when you got such richness with the chocolate? You didn't even have that. You can add sugar if you want, but you don't have to add sugar because, again, the peppermint has sugar in it. The milk chocolate chips is sweet. And this is it. Let me grab my mug and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we have my mug here. We have that beautiful chocolate here. I'm going to pour right into my mug. Like so. See that? Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. But I'm not done. I am not done. What I want to do is add some whipped cream. If I can get it open. Some whipped cream. Shake that baby up. Look at that. Now, let's give it a try. Push the whipped cream down. You get the peppermint. Oh my God, yes. You get the peppermint, the chocolate. It's hot, but not too hot that it'll burn your tongue. It's perfect. Look. Y'all guys gotta try this. Give this recipe a like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And like, share, and subscribe, guys. You know, let your girl get up there. Let your girl get up there. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing these videos for y'all, showing y'all how to make the perfect Christmas morning cocoa. My kids love this cocoa. I make it every Christmas morning. Y'all gotta give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.